from the mothers. Africa in my bloodline. Yes, body coming straight from Africa. Not no surgeon and me natural. Coming straight from the motherland, from ancestral mothers, divine plan. This body coming straight from the root, ancient bloodline, yeah, that the truth. From the side, from the fruit, goddess body, pure and absolute, yeah. From a bond, me carry the cord, ancient beauty in my soul. From the land where the rivers flow, that at the place where me power grow. Full lips, wide hips, natural shape, no alteration, no reshape. Every curve Jah did create, from the root me elevated. This body coming straight from Africa. Not no surgeon and me natural. Coming straight from the motherland, from ancestral mothers, divine plan. From the grandmothers before me time, them pass it down through bloodline. Every feature by design, sacred body fully mine. Me no follow me originate, from the source we elevate. Ancient power circulate, in me farm me radiate. From the root, from the womb, from the mothers in the room. From the side where life consume, goddess rise and fully bloom. Straight from Africa, straight from Africa. From the root, from the motherland, real body, divine.